Hi B, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, hi, I'm Somtochukwu, and today I'm going to be sharing with you everything I did to navigate the university easily while installing this hair. So if you're entering the university, currently in the university or rounding up, these are the things that will make your journey not only easier but also a very successful one. Number one for me is to have a clear goal. Please, before anything else, have a goal. What do you want your life in the university to be like? Do you want to graduate with the first class? Do you want to start a business while in school? Do you like to travel? Do you even want to learn a skill? Whatever it is, write it down and also think of actionable steps you can take to reach that goal. Because when you have a goal, it is easier to say no to nonsense and unnecessary distraction. University will test your discipline. If your goals aren't clear, you will just be going with the flow, and trust me, that flow, be your friend though. Number two, do things when your mates are doing them. Read when your mates are reading. Submit your assignments when deadlines are due. Write your exams when everybody is writing theirs. The truth is, some of the struggles we encounter would most likely be self-inflicted. So it is important that you are diligent and do everything within your power to make things easier for yourself. Don't form, I'll do it later. That later is the same reason why people stay extra years in the university. Number 3 on my list is one that I hold very dearly, which is to choose your friends wisely. Your circle can make or break you. You cannot be serious and all your friends are unserious. Or you can't be focused and all your friends are dragging you into trouble. You fail to the extent of your circle, they say. Surround yourself with people who challenge you and motivate you. And I don't want you to carry on a notion that you can do this journey alone. No, you are not an island, and therefore you need people, and therefore you need a community, which is very important that you choose wisely. 4, try as much as you can to engage in extracurricular activities. Do not be that student that has the triangular life. Hostel, department, and back to hostel. No. Join a club or organization, volunteer, learn skills, attend events. Extracurricular activities are actually where you build social skills, leadership, confidence, and my most favorite part is that it gives you options, because if your degree doesn't work out immediately, your skill outside the classroom can be your saving grace. To me, extracurricular activities means a lot because it is in doing those things that you get to know more about yourself. You get to know something outside your degree that you love and can turn into a career. Extracurricular activities literally take you out of the box that your degree tries to put you in. Keep your lecturers close and non-academic staff closer. This one is very important. You see those secretaries, those admin staffs, the record officers, faculty officers that you think that they have no power. My dear, you would meet them. Oh Jesus, you would realize the kind of power they yield. Be respectful, be kind, build reasonable relationships with them, because when issue comes out, and it will, you would realize that they are the ones that can make it easier for you. Okay, well, I've lost count, but I think I'm in number 6. Number 6 for me is protect your mental health. The university can be overwhelming. Sometimes you feel like crying, you feel like giving up, you feel like you're not doing enough. Sometimes you'll be hit with one nonsense result that you can swear that was not your score. All this being said, take rest when you need to. Protect your peace. Nothing is worth you losing your sanity for. Nothing. Beyond your mental health, you should take care of yourself. I don't know the goal or objective you've set so far, but I want you to know that if anything should happen to you, that goal would not be achieved. So you are the first priority and you need to treat yourself as one. In my own opinion, the university is the best place to start developing your saving skills, is the best place to build your financial literacy. I'm just saying that you should start saving and investing now that your parents and guidance and people don't really expect too much from you financially. There are a lot of resources, there are books, there are software applications that you can use to invest with as low as 5,000 naira. If 5,000 naira is so much for you, there are other ways that you can save up the money till it gets to 5,000 naira and invest. The most important thing is that you are actually building the skill. It's not about the millions that you have or you don't have. It's about learning how to not spend all the money that you have and keeping some aside for saving and buying stocks. I don't know if anyone has ever told you, but me, I will tell you, enjoy your time in the university. Yes, it may be tough. There are a lot of obstacles that may come on the way, financially, spiritually, emotionally, physically, name it all. Yes, but enjoy your phase. Enjoy your time in the university. You would never be this young again. So go out, create memories, take pictures. This phase of your life isn't coming back to you, so you have to live intentionally. The last that should have been the first is put God in everything that you're doing. It may sound cliche, but it is a very serious thing. I would like to say that some of the traps that I ended up jumping over is not because I'm the wisest, it's not because I'm the smartest, it's not because I'm the most righteous, but it is simply because of God's grace. In a place like the university that encompasses people of various cultures, backgrounds, trainings, you need a lot of wisdom, protection, discernment, and direction. I know, and I'm telling you to put God first, because there are certain situations it can only be God. It will not make sense, but it can only be God. Have you ever questioned your morality so much that you begin to question why you didn't even act a certain way? Have you been tempted in such a way that you would want to derail from the objectives and the goals that you set at the beginning of this video? Can we take a few seconds to see this hair she ate down? Her services were absolutely amazing. Like, AG Hairs did everything possible to make me feel comfortable, and she really did well. I was so satisfied with the quality of the hair. It was amazing. The way she installed it, it was amazing. You see, I was laughing throughout and smiling throughout this video. So we've come to the end of this video. Remember to be subscribed, stay subscribed. Tell me anything that I missed in the comment section, because I'll be going through them one by one. Until the next time, like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.